My Barbie needs new clothes, and today we're making pants and a top without a pattern. Let's get started. Cut 1 square of stretchy knit fabric that measures 12 by 12 inches. Fold the fabric to form a triangle. From the top, measure down 10.5 inches to 11 inches. Draw the hemline and cut. From the top, draw 2 inches and 3/4. This will form the waistline. From the waistline, measure down 2 inches. Mark 1/8 of an inch on one side. This will be the back. Now blend this mark with the waistline. For the front, mark 1/4 of an inch and blend it with the waistline. It should look like this. Now it's time to draw the front crotch. Think about the letter J when doing this. Measure in 1/4 of an inch and draw the back crotch. Again, think about the letter J when drawing the back crotch. Now it's time to cut the rest of the pants. Sew the front crotch seam. Fold and stitch waistline. Fold and stitch hem. I'm going to do this on my sewing machine. Now the back crotch seam. And the last step to finish the pants is the inseam. Turn inside out and we are done with the pants. I think they came out really cute. For the top, cut a piece of fabric that measures 21 inches by 2.5 inches. Now fold it. From the folded side, measure in 1.5 inches. From the top, measure down 2 inches. Draw a curved shape for the top. Draw a slant line for the bottom. Now cut the top. It should look like this. Now fold and stitch all around edges. And we are done. Let's see how it looks on the doll. She looks so beautiful on her new outfit. I really enjoy making clothes this way. This technique is called freehand cutting. Let me know in the comments if you like more tutorials like this. And if you like my videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. I will really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.